Hello everyone, this is Tony. This time I will share with you an NFC anti-mantle tag. First of all, you can see that this tag can be customized, whether it is size, color, or design. Inside, this is an anti-mantle layer. Anti-mantle layer can also be customized. This can be achieved. The many use a mantle to counteract the shading effect of mantle on tags. For example, you can see this NFC tag, which has no mantle resistance, but it is meaningless if it is passed on mantle. Looking at this tag with mantle resistance, it can still read data. Final about its application, NFC anti-mantle tags are available in warehouse, medical device management, etc.